At least 30 Indian police officers were killed in a car bomb attack in Indian-controlled Kashmir. European aircraft manufacturer Airbus says it will end production of the world's biggest passenger airplane in 2021. The move could affect as many as 3,000 jobs. In North Macedonia, at least 14 people are confirmed dead after a bus carrying workers crashed near Skopje. And researchers report that images of the rare African panther in Kenya are the first proven evidence of the animal in nearly a century.